So hi all, in this session we will try to see the Redet store by using the Chrome plugin. Actually, once I download the plugin, I should see something like this. I should see the all the stores found inside this, okay, inside this application. So for that, the first step will be just go here and click on Redet's Chrome extension and go to the second URL and not the second URL, and here it will tell you the instructions. Just go to the latest releases, okay, and from that you download extension.js, which it will be present in 2.17.0. Just press on asserts and extensions.0 zip, okay. So wait for it to download, okay. I already have it downloaded, so let me proceed. And then what you have to go, you just needs to go to Chrome extensions, okay. I will remove the already existing thing for you to show, and here press on load unpacked. After going to Chrome extensions, you select on load unpacked. Before doing that, you just need to unzip it, okay. You can actually what you can do is, maybe you can copy it to maybe you can create a folder here, okay. Maybe you create folder, new folder, new folder, new folder. You rename it as some Redux plugin or something, Redux plugin, okay, and you copy the extension here. I've copied. Now you can extract it here, maybe using some zip or something else. You extract it here. Once it's extracted, you can delete this, because we are going to use this folder in load unpacked, okay. Just go to your again to Chrome extension, and you select on load unpacked, and you selected the folder in which you extracted, that is unzipped, okay. Actually I have it in documents, React Redux plugin. So you just select this folder, and once selected, it will come. By default it will be enabled, have it enabled. Now to enable your application for this for using this plugin, you need to add certain things in your application, okay. For that, the steps are given here, okay. The first line you need to add is, because I am using middleware, I want this advanced store setup. So you can copy this and put it in your system, in your application, okay. Just put this. Now I will just add this line, okay, as mentioned there in the Chrome, as it is mentioned here. Then under advanced store setup, you just copy this line, paste it into your application, and compose you have to add it from Redux, okay. Compose also has to be added from Redux. After that, you have to add this compose enhancer over apply middleware. So you have to add the compose enhancer over apply middleware like this, okay. Let's add that. Then you just over this apply middleware, you just add this, okay. Now that's it, the setup. You have to add these two steps in your application for it to use the Chrome plugin. Once you have done that, you can go to the application and we should see the store working. Hmm. So the other step you have to do is you have to restart your application also. Once you have added all the steps, you just go here and restart your application. Okay, maybe we missed that. You just restart the application and wait for it to load. Once restarted, you can do inspect and go to Redux here, which is mentioned in the development tools. Once you go there, you should be able to see the all the store which is available. Okay, maybe you can see when you type itself, you can see this is the action which is getting passed and what is the state, what is the latest state also you will be able to see. Okay, whenever you set password, you will be able to see the password action going, and for that what is the latest state also. When you press on the latest action, you will be able to see the state also. If I go inside the application also, you should be able to see, right? So once I log in, the state should change as login. Okay, now if you see the latest state, it should be logged into and the username password, and it should also show the employees, the application state. So this state will give you all the application state. Okay, here you can see the here you can see what is the action getting passed. Here you can see the state, latest state. When you press on that latest action, okay, this is how you have to add the React plugin, Redux plugin into your Chrome browser. Thank you.